Namaste, hello and welcome to Yogatainment. In today's video, we are going to look at some easy quick tips to a problem which is existing in every other home. Gas trouble. That's right. Almost हर किसी के घर पे किसी ना किसी को तो पहले हुई होगी या होती रहती है. That is gas trouble, right? So in today's video, we are going to look at 3 tips which are super easy and very instant in giving relief in gas trouble. The first one we are going to look at is an asan. Second is a food ingredient. And third one is my personal favorite because it's the easiest and the most quickest in giving relief. Alright, we'll start with the first one, which is Pavan Muktasan. As the name goes, जैसे नाम ही है पवन मुक्तासन. पवन meaning gas or हवा and mukta meaning to release. So gas release asan. This, as the name goes, literally the asan has that effect of giving relief in gas trouble. We look at how to perform the asan and then we look at some more benefits of Pavan Muktasan. What we do is we first lie down on our back. Lie down with our back straight, legs straight. For Pavan Muktasan, we lift our legs up to 40 degrees, bend them, and you hug your knees as much tightly as possible. पैरों को जितना tightly हो सके पकड़ लेना. If possible, grab hold of your elbows. अगर आपकी कोहनियाँ हाथ में नहीं आ रही है, तो थोड़ा सा जो भी आपको tight grip there. Maybe hold your forearms or maybe just interlock your fingers or maybe just hold your knees. Anything that gives a tight grip around your abdomen. Once you're comfortable here, you slowly lift your head to bring your chin close to the knees. Don't forget to breathe while you're here. Place your head down whenever you feel like it. If you want, you can lift your head again. If you have a neck issue, गर्दन की कोई भी दिक्कत हो तो सर नहीं उठाना है. In that case, you stay up to here. Then you release, straighten your legs and bring them down. That's Pavan Muktasan. Like I said, स्पॉन्डिलाइसिस या गर्दन की कोई भी दिक्कत हो तो सर को ऊपर नहीं उठाना है. Pavan Muktasan is super duper useful for the digestive system. As we saw, it's for gas trouble, to release gas trouble as well. Also, it is a very good asan to give relief to your back. When you lie down in Pavan Muktasan, your entire back is on the floor and there is a very soothing massage that your back gets. So it's very good to relieve back pain as well. That was the first easy quick tip. Our second tip is a food ingredient, a magic food ingredient. And what is it? That's ginger, right? Ginger या अदरक, very useful in reducing gas trouble. How do we use it? अदरक को पीसना है. You grind or you grate ginger. Boil it in water. पानी में उसे उबालना है. And then you drink that water, preferably warm water or hot water. But otherwise you can drink that water throughout. You may either strain it, but otherwise it is best if you don't strain it and have those small little pieces of adrak as well. But if you don't like the astringent, the taste of it, then you can strain it. But best is if you don't strain it, and once you grind it, it's a very fine paste. So you boil that paste in water and then you drink that water. Instant relief in gas trouble, ginger or adrak. The third and the last tip, which is my personal favorite and is a very instant relief in gas trouble, is, we look at it, it's in the standing posture. So the third tip, which is very simple, can be done by anyone and everyone, is When you have gas trouble or when you feel like bloated, पेट बहुत फूला हुआ लगता है because of gas, what you do is अपने navel से, नाभि से 4 fingers up. So this is my navel, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fingers up at this point, giving a little pressure, हल्का सा दबाव देते हुए, a little pressure. You go clockwise, making circles, clockwise about 1 minute तक उसे थोड़ा सा हल्का सा प्रेशर देके सर्कल करना है, and then you go anti-clockwise. This is one way. And then if you want a further more instant, what you do is navel से 4 fingers lower. So this is the navel, 4 fingers lower at this point. Once again, applying a little pressure, you make circles, small little circles clockwise for 1 minute. And same way you go anti-clockwise, applying pressure, not too much pressure, just gentle pressure. You go anti-clockwise for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can repeat this if you want again 2-3 times. You will find instant gas release either through burps or any other way. Do try these out. These 3 tips are for quick relief from gas trouble. First we looked at is Pawan Muktasan, second one is ginger water, and third one is the rotation, 4 fingers above and below the navel. Do try it out and let us know how you find them. Thank you so much.